Verifying your bank account on the Equifax mobile app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is properly verified. Step 1. Download the Equifax app. If you haven't already, download the Equifax mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your smartphone and open it. Step 2. Log in or create an account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, look for the section related to account settings or verification. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile settings. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details. You may need to provide your account number, routing number, and other relevant information to initiate the verification process. Step 5. Confirm verification. After entering your information, submit the details for verification. You may receive a confirmation message or email once your bank account has been successfully verified. By following these steps, you can easily verify your bank account on the Equifax mobile app. Make sure to keep your app updated for the best experience.